tell Mom. I'm sure she'll let us keep the cat. Oh no! The food can lead to even more accidents on the road. Denny, come on! Let's help Kitty reach the food and take it out of the way. Denny, which one do we choose to knock down the tomato? Gross! But we still have to grab the other tomato. Let's choose the heart. Yes! Use a like if you want some pizza. Cool! Pizza for everyone. Let's take it home. Yes, and we will be the amazing 3. That's it! I'm tired of nature. I'm going home.
Who makes the best camp will have this.
Since my tent is broken, I'll borrow somebody else's. Since it's all ruined, are we going back home?
No! We will rebuild the camp together!
Look at my catch! I am great at fishing!
Teach us, Master.
Yay! Find the correct rod on the left.
It's a fishing rod.
No, it's not a fishing rod. It's a fishing net. Yes. Now, find where the bait is.
It's a worm.
It is a worm. Well done. The rod is good, but we'll take the mop and candy.
Are you sure you know how to fish?
Admit it, you can't fish either. Yeah, sorry. But I have this. Some fish? And the girl comes to her brother. But he's not her brother anymore. He's a monster!
Is that the whole story? I know something scarier. In this place, 30 years ago, a monster attacked a group of tourists. He is still wandering somewhere out there. Calm down. It's just a joke. Hey, my drone!
Monster!
It's just my drone.
We must help Ollie! We need to find something to stop the monster. We'll use a rope. That didn't help. Maybe a campfire? We should use both items at once. Yes! We've caught the monster!
Have you caught him? Is he still dangerous?
I just wanted to warn you not to walk in the woods at night. You might accidentally fall into dirt.
Repeat after me. What a strange dog I have. Because it is a cat. I don't know how to handle cats.
It's simple. Prepare their place, feed them, and take care of them. I think it's time to take care of your pet.
There's a brown puddle ahead! Jump! There's an orange building stand. Run under it. There's a yellow beehive ahead. Get down! Ah! Bees! Hide in the green bushes! Walking a dog is fun, but cleaning up after it in public places is unpleasant. But those are the rules. I think I was the one who was walked. I'm lucky I don't have to walk with a cat. Perfect. But it is necessary to clean her litter tray. It's time to feed our pets.
Not all human food is good for pets. That's why they are given special food. Check out the pet treats there.
But what kind of food is good for cats and dogs? Let's put the stickers back in place and figure it out. I know that rabbits love carrots. And dragons love cheese. Save the cheese for mice. A bird should eat a small meal. Grits. I think bones are for dogs. And fish is for cats. Your cat likes to eat dragons more. She was just thirsty. Just like your dog.
Pets need to rest after eating.
And that's all for one little cat? Cats like privacy, so they like small houses. My big dog only needs a dog bed. You have to build a cat house. Start from the bottom. Oh, wrong! There's a window at the bottom. Now you can put up a pipe. Then make a roof. Only the ball remains. Where is it? The last detail is on your back. Your dog has ruined everything. It's your cat that's ruining everything. They think we don't love them. We'll find them. Forgive us. You are the best pets.
Wow, my balloon is so colorful. Denny!
No! My magical rainbow balloon!
Why would you do that? Look, Denny!
Oh no! The rabbit is losing its color! The lion, fox, parrot, and pig have lost their colors too! We must help them find their colors.
It's okay, little rabbit.
Denny, we've got a rabbit to catch.
Get back here!
Oh boy, rabbits can jump high.
Is that poop? Oh no, it hit Denny!
Gross! Avoid the poop. Rabbits can jump very high and far. Hop over them like a rabbit.
That was close! rabbit is hungry.
Rabbits eat their own poop, or more precisely, secotropes. This is poop made of undigested food, enriched with vitamins and amino acids. Ew, why? Their digestive system is designed in such a way that they can't get everything they need from their food during the first round of digestion. So, rabbits eat it for the second time, not to miss anything important.
Here you go.
Woohoo! The rabbit is brown!
We did it, Denny! Ooh, that lion looks different. Listen, Denny.
The lion makes no sound. It has no voice. Let's find its roar. The roar is blocked. Maybe it needs some alone time. Lions live with up to 30 other lions in a pride.
We should bring back its friends.
Who doesn't like pizza?
Maybe it's nap time.
Lions sleep up to 20 hours a day.
Let's try its roar again.
Lions are the loudest animals. Their roar can be heard from up to 5 miles away.
Look at the parrot's feathers.
Don't worry, Parrot. We'll help you.
Rat, we'll help you.
Who said that?
Rat, who said that?
Read the sign.
Parrots are excellent at copying sounds. It keeps them safe. I'm a beautiful blue parrot that can mimic sounds.
Rat, I'm a beautiful blue parrot that can mimic sounds. Rat,
We did it! What animal is next?
The pig! It doesn't look good. Oh no!
This pig is hot and dry. Pigs cool down by rolling in mud. It gives them a protective coating. This mud is dry. Not for long.
Denny, stop! That wasn't funny.
It thinks it's time for you to cool down too.
The pig is happy again.
I love pink.
Let's go to the next animal.
Look, Denny, that white fox has lost the color of its fur coat. Is the fox blue?
No, I don't think so.
Is the fox gray? Aha! They change the color of their fur with the seasons. It's summer. The fox is orange. We did it! We helped all the animals. Rabbits are brown. Lions are yellow. Parrots are blue. Pigs are pink. Foxes are orange.